fuck going on with his wife? Why COE, why COE? Y'all know I be geeked up, man. It's some Draco with the wood sitting right beside me to my left. Let's do it. I can't.
These fans got loud as fuck, bro. Cool Audi. I said cool Audi, cool Audi. Good daily. Oh. This fan is about loud as hell. AMG over there.
The drinking got me moody, got me thinking about the decision, man. I should write me up the whole thing out the right me.
Oh yeah. Hey, hey. I say we slime, but I'm ready to put up. Hey, hey, hey. Super dark soda, super high and focus.
His name is Josh. Huh? Ogden too. What? What's your name? Bro, this pops up, bro. Say what you saying, bro. This pops up. Nice when it's like this is beautiful. Cousin. Look at this, dude. Look at this, dude. Like, yo. When I'm telling you, I give me one of these, I'm gonna be flying around it with these carbon rims. I'm gonna be flying around with these carbon rims. Like, bro, I'm gonna be flying around. And I'm gonna get the best videos for y'all. I'm telling you. That's the whole point. I want to get this car. I haven't recorded. Because they light, bro. And they're expensive. So if you crash, it's a check out of your bank account. This is a classic Ferrari. Red, tan interior. You feel me? That's that new Ferrari. Gold. That's that new Ferrari. Gold, electric motor, engine, half gas powered. And I don't even know what that over here is, bro. Let's see inside. Let's see inside. It's just crazy, bro. Look at the fans. Not the fans, up at the front vent. The interior. Crazy. It's called a Pinafre Batista.
Hey yo, what the fuck?
1,000 horsepower.
I like the logo.
It's 1,000 more. So it's at 2,000.
2,000? Bro, what? That's what I'm saying. Good networks and handshakes, and it's gonna get you this. Dude. That shit dumb hard.
I'm 20 minutes, shout out the promoters. I still feel like I'm on Roxy just with one soda. Everything alright, fuck 100, keep it that. I can't listen to a nigga, bunch of tall cap.
I'm telling you, my guy's car is over. When I got my shit, it's over. Yeah. Huh? Tripping, bro. I love them.
I like the block.
With the baby seat inside? Carbon steering wheel? Hey, what am I hearing? What am I hearing? Hold on, bro. New Z06 over here. Hey, Jake got sick, so he's in the hospital right now, but he's finna come right now. Hey, fool. That's dumb hard. It's my bad. I'm going to work.
Like their main
objective
is like coming here to
I'm fast.
You kill yourself, man.
Oh, kill yourself real fast.
Stay away from your car.
I would go crazy on this. Ooh. I like that one.
I like. You got a Corey even live or something like that?
Going through. It's the Icon Club from Instagram. It's the Instagram car.
Is that she?
What's that? Land. RSQ8, bro, that's dumb hard. What you trying to do?
I'm trying to learn marketing, sales, all that bullshit.
It's not bullshit because they make you money.
That's right. I gotta have a way with words, nigga. So I'm gonna be in a bunch of. I'm not gonna be a bunch of speech classes. I'm about to get my shit straight. But niggas need to own a shop too. So you know that MIT shit you be seeing on like the ads?
Yeah.
MIT Tech. I'm gonna transfer there once I'm done. Get right. Then I'm gonna own a shop just like these niggas. And look, I'm hosting this shit.
I feel you.
Driving my own shit, nigga. In the garage, I'm gonna have the same nigga. I'm gonna have a better helicopter.
Okay. Do that then. Don't you speak on the time. You better do it. You better do it. Good boat in there. Helicopter. Bro, look at this though, bro. Hey, I'm gonna need that. I'm gonna need that. Nah, this hard. Them bitches. What was looking at, Tanya? You hear the fifi over there? 600 LT.
Caesar, nice to meet you, man.
Good GTR. Ooh. Fresh kicks. What's happening? Bro, it's so low to even see this John, bro. It's minty. It's minty. It's minty. It's like a damn computer, bro. You hear that? What the? Hold on, bro. Dog coming in the way. Good carbon. Good Lambo. That's shiny as heck, bro. This is mad shiny. I like that. Go crazy in this John though.
What's your name? Reticent? Okay.
Smart idea.
There's several.
Look at that. All the peer pressure. The dog can't even see from there. Liberty Walk. I don't know, but I heard something. Something loud started. Hey, but this. I told somebody in class one of these, bro. I'm finna give me one of these one day. Oh, but it's daily.
They don't know how much money you got, bro.
It's daily, bro. That's why it's cooked. On the roof and shit, bro. Lambo's back. You didn't get inside, bro.
Got the nigga Chop outside.
Chop, GTA. Oh, what? That's a wrap. That's not even real. Well, I can't wait to have this, bro. Oh my god, 600 LT. I'm gonna get a 675. I'm gonna give him the 600 LT. Spadazzled, what's it called, bro? Why you got to spadazzle them too? I feel you.
That nigga does tech.
Cause you know everybody around this bitch got guns.
Ooh, port started.
Bro, like 40 bucks.
camera finna die right now, bro. But I'm gonna catch y'all for charge. I'm gonna catch y'all when the damn. Jumping. I'm gonna get a copyright here, bro. I gotta cut this entire thing up. I'm gonna catch y'all. We go to the car.
Tell you 100 times this bitch like D don't need you. And you say that I'm on roster, hoe, your ass is geeky. You see that none of my pole, I better know, bash bro. Ain't no licking slide, no. Her boyfriend here don't like, sipping on red wine. She say sign your face, taste her fine. In my trap, she know son had the pie. I told her, baby girl, look me in my eye. I'm really that guy.
I'm the blood. Nigga, you coochie. I call you Chappelle. I'm a young boss, man, young Marcel.
Hopefully there's no traffic. We're gonna see right now this turn. We're on the car, but let's see. No traffic? Oh, shoot. I mean, it's cool. Honestly, this shit moves fast. Will I cut up? There's a cop though, hell no, I take zero chances with cops. 0 chances. But yeah, I'm gonna catch y'all. Cop, I don't know what's happening. Oh no, all this traffic? Nah. Back at the crib. Got that on me. But yeah, we're back at the crib right now. Trying to use the bathroom. I'm about to go to Jake's house. What did this drag me? Probably gonna put this in the second vlog because I'm making it to 2 videos. But yeah. I'm not tripping, bro. I kept seeing a McLaren when I picked up Tanya, bro.
Oh, shit.
I knew I wasn't tripping, bro.
This shit low-key either.
I thought I was shit.
Tanya right next to this. Tanya right next to this. Tanya need to come steal this bitch at night. Finna hit a lick. Finna go get the Bluetooth wires.
We can say the Bluetooth wires. We got some Popeyes right now.
Popeyes, yes.
It's probably gonna be, it's either the second video or the same video, but yeah. I'll catch y'all. Yo, we back home right now. Got the good food on me. You feel me? Like, comment, subscribe. Like, comment, subscribe. That's what it is.
That's what I thought you said. Now let me offer this as a rebuttal.
Gang, gang. It's already not a fault, we rockin' that.